Massage is becoming increasingly more popular nowadays as people are realizing the amazing benefits that massage has to offer. Massage is a treatment which aims to relax, revive and heal the body. Using manual hands-on movements and manipulation of the soft tissues and muscles in the body, massage therapy works to promote healing and enhance a person's overall well-being. In this video, you can see 15 amazing health benefits of body massage. 1. Relieves headaches. By focusing on the neck, shoulders, and head, massage can decrease the pain and discomfort brought on by a migraine or tension headaches. 2. Back pain. The researchers found that massage was the most effective treatment for reducing back pain. 3. Diabetes. Massage therapy has been recommended for diabetes, helping to restore proper use of insulin, and lowering inflammation. 4. Improves posture. Working in front of a computer all day or standing on your feet during hour of manual labor can cause tension in the neck and back. This can result in poor posture. Massage can help the body to position itself in a natural pain-free posture. 5. Improve sleep. Massage can increase serotonin levels, which can naturally help individuals to experience a good night's sleep. 6. Arthritis pain. Massage can increase blood flow to your joints and boost your circulation throughout your body, which could help increase your mobility and flexibility. 7. Can help lower high blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Massages can enhance blood flow, lower blood pressure and improve body function. Better blood circulation is part of the chain reaction that occurs in the body as a result of receiving massage therapy on a regular basis. 8. Reduces depression, anxiety and fatigue. Massage therapy has been shown to help lower stress, eliminate depression and improve fatigue. 9. Improve flexibility. By working on muscles, connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, and joints, massages can improve your flexibility and range of motion, keeping your joints more fluid and making them less injury-prone. 10. Helps the heart. A full-body massage is good for your heart as well. This also increases blood flow and delivery of oxygen to all your organs. 11. Boosts athletic performance. A sports massage can help establish blood flow, relax your muscles, helping your body to achieve its full range of movement potential and to warm up muscles prior to a game or an event. 12. Improve skin. 13. Deep breathing. This helps refresh your body with lots of life-giving oxygen. 14. Eliminate toxins. Stimulating the soft tissues of your body will help to release toxins through your blood and lymphatic systems. 15. Boost immunity. Stimulation of the lymph nodes recharges the body's natural defense system. Massage is not just a luxury. It's a way to a healthier, happier life. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos to come.